Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Cotton Creations. So today, I don't know about you, but I have a sweet tooth. So I'm gonna be whipping up my quick chocolate chip pecan cookies. So let's hop into it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna work on our flaxseed egg. So I have some water, and to that, I'm gonna add some flaxseed. So I'm just gonna toss that right in, and I'm gonna give it a stir. And you want to stir this up until it starts to get kind of the consistency of an egg white. So just keep stirring. That's the consistency it should be. And next, I'm going to cream the butter and sugar. So I have some brown sugar and some white granulated sugar. And to that, I'm gonna add in the butter. Now it's time to use our hand mixer. All right, so we're gonna, give it a little extra boost of flavor. So we're gonna put this accidentally vegan Jello pudding in there, vanilla flavor. Now we're also going to add in that flaxseed egg. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's thick now. Before it was like water and runny, but you know we gotta hit it with some more vanilla. And now we're just gonna cream all of this together. All right, so next we're just gonna add in a little bit of baking soda and the flour. And we're going to mix that together. Now for the fun stuff. So I'm gonna be using Enjoy Life, their mini chocolate chips, and these are dairy free. And I'm also gonna be putting in some pecans. Now, of course, if you are allergic to nuts or you don't like nuts, you can omit that and put whatever you want, okay? It's your world, do your thing. And there's our cookie dough ready for the baking pan. So I'm just gonna roll these out and flatten them a little bit. So our cookies are ready for the oven. All right, so you should let your cookies bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how soft or crunchy you want yours. I think I might do mine slightly crunchier because I'm planning to do like an ice cream sandwich. So, but while they're baking, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I do with my leftover cookie dough. So I typically will roll them out into balls and freeze them because this cookie dough batter definitely upholds very well frozen. I've done it several times and it's like the easiest thing to cook. All you do is just take them out, let them sit for about 5-10 minutes, and then press them down a little bit, pop them in the oven and let them cook. So I'm just gonna take some more of the dough, and instead of flattening them out, I'm gonna leave them as the ball. And you want to, I'm gonna put this on some parchment paper, and you want to keep them separated, especially when you take them to the freezer. And you'll want to put this on some type of tray so they don't like slide everywhere when you're taking them to the freezer. But yeah, so you want to do that. And once they don't have to be all the way frozen, but they need to be frozen enough to the point where once you store them in like a airtight container or a Ziploc bag, they won't stick together when they touch. So that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna do this until these cookies are ready, and then I'll be back. All right, y'all, so the cookies are done and I let them cool down because I am going to eat them as a ice cream sandwich. But this is what it looks like, okay? Nice and golden brown on each side. So yeah, I'm just gonna make me a little quick ice cream sandwich. For anyone that wants to know, I'm using the Whole Foods 365 brand, the Vanilla Bean Almond Milk Ice Cream. Place this vanilla ice cream right in the center. Press down. All right, y'all, so it's time to add the top part. Yummy. Got us an ice cream sandwich, homemade. So let's get into it. It brings back so many memories. I'm not gonna be able to finish all this, by the way. So this is melting and I gotta eat it fast, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If there's something else you guys want to see, let me know. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, Cotton Creations, to see more of my vegan recipes. As always, be safe, stay your distance, wash those hands, and be blessed.